Hello buyer and option traders, welcome to my channel once again. So as usual, I'll show you how to trade the support and resistance areas on a key option platform. So this is a downtrend market. We have a level at this point. Then you have another area here. So that's our level of support and resistance that we can use. So I expect the market to move more higher and test that level. So we are breaking the area of support and resistance. So let's wait and see if we can break the level fully. When you check on the left, we have another area here. So we've broken that level, but we've got some resistance here, but we've closed in between the levels, so I'll wait. So if you can break above this area, I can use this level to get my entry point. So I'll just shift my lines. So I've chosen this level because you can see the market reaction at that point. At that point, even here, even here. So it's a good area of support and resistance that we can use. Though we have a minor area here. Because from this level you can see some market reactions. So we failed to break the level. I'll do a put option. So this is not the best entry point. I wanted an entry point above the area, but let's wait and see what happens. Let's look for another pair. So on this pair, you can see that level has been tested quite severely. Here we have another area. So we've lost this trade. We failed to close below the area. So let's look for another pair. I can see a rejection, but I know the market will move more higher. That's a late entry point, but no problem. So we are moving more higher. So I don't see any area near. Here we have a level of support and resistance. So when you check clearly, we had some rejections here before the market could break this area. So let's see if the market can reverse from the same area. So I need an entry point on that level, if I can get. I need an entry point on the level of support and resistance. But it seems we cannot get that entry point because our next level is here. But you need to stick to your strategy. When you break an area with this candle like this, you need to get an entry point on the level just to have a margin of safety. So despite us knowing that the market will possibly go more down, we needed a good entry point to take our trade. But we could not get that entry point. So we did not take that opportunity. So that happens in the market, no problem. You only need to stick to your strategy. So here I expected the market to move down because these are strong level of support and resistance. As much as we are having an uptrend, a minor uptrend from this point, I expected the market at least to close below this area before it can reverse maybe from this point. I expected the market to reverse to this area so that it can continue moving more up. But instead, when we close below the level with this bearish candle, the buyers were able to break the level. So we lost that trade. On this other trade, I did a call option because after this downtrend, you can see we are making lower highs and lower lows. So after this downtrend, we broke this level of support and resistance with this bullish candle. So I expected at least the market to move more higher to this level of resistance. That's why I did a call option on that trade. On this other trade, I did a call option because we broke this level of support and resistance on a live candle. So it was a very strong movement. So we broke the level in a live candle. So I expected the market to at least move more higher. That's why I did a call option on that trade. So that's how to trade with support and resistance areas. So keep watching other videos in this channel to learn more about this strategy of support and resistance. If you are not subscribed to the channel, you can subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss my uploads whenever I upload a video. If you want to join our training program, you can contact me directly through the Telegram link in the description below. You can also join our Telegram group. There's a link for you to join. Stay safe and bye-bye.